mind, body, spirit. It's all dedicated to this race.
Dragon Boat is the ultimate team sport.
Go! 2, 3, 4, 5, up!
And you really are able to accomplish things that you wouldn't be able to do alone. And that's the really magical thing.
Reach it out! There you go! There you go!
You are really awestruck by the things you can accomplish in terms of not just becoming stronger physically, but growing as a person and growing in college and being in that family. Dragon Boat is basically a 20-man canoe, and it consists of 20 paddlers, 1 drummer, and 1 steersperson. I think the culture is just intensity, really. Everyone thinks Dragon Boat is a very demanding sport. You're feeling resistance, but you also have to keep going, right? It's not like you just do 1 rep of a squat and it's over, or it's not like you just run 1 mile without any resistance. There's both things, right? You have to keep going, and you also feel pressure on your muscles. So a lot of times people get injured because it's a very intense sport and it's very demanding, but it makes people stronger, and it's made an impact on a lot of people's lives.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and start! Boost now! Push jump now! Push jump now! Finish it now! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pick it up! 1 more feet! Push jump now! Push jump now! Up front! How much do you want it? Take it! Take it! Fucking take it!
What our team does really well is it makes the college experience very small for you.
David jumped out to go pee.
Sometimes it's very overwhelming just being at a really big school, but being on a team of 50 people makes it small for you, makes it connected, and you have your support network early on to support you.
Here's what you do now and cabinet position.
2016. I'm in grad school right now.
Every year, seniors leave the team, and it feels like there's like a hole left in your heart sometimes, and it feels like you won't be able to live up to their expectations, or that you feel like they didn't leave the team in good hands. But I think it's this kind of humble attitude and like this kind of hardworking set of people that just when they come together, like they can really just prove each other wrong. We're a very young sport, and we want to keep growing and growing. I think a lot of us want this to reach the Olympics. So we all are very communicative, and we really support each other. On race day, we tend to have some rivalries with each other, but during the practices and other times, we are very laid back, and we help each other out. It's really about the journey and enjoying it, and just the process of becoming stronger, and just having that addiction to just becoming the best version of yourself, and being an underdog the whole time, right? Just enjoying the grind, enjoying the process, just becoming stronger every practice.
Let's bring it in, bring it in.
Kevin Kaiser.
Kevin Kaiser. UCLA on 3. UCLA on 3. 1, 2, 3. UCLA.